In this video, I'll show you how to send direct messages on Discord on PC. So this video basically is an integration and purpose video only, right? So I'm going to show you how you can send messages to people on Discord. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if you want to send this, what you're going to do right now, if you're on Discord, what you're going to do is there are lots of servers right here, right? So I'm going to click on, okay, I'm going to use this, right? So I want to send message to these people. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna right click your mouse, click on the profile, you're gonna see the message, click on the message, then this has opened up. What you're gonna do now, you can come on here and type in hey friend. Right, once I've typed it, click on the enter, it's gonna go through. So this is how you can send direct messages on Discord on PC, right? You can send to friends, you can send to people you want to connect to it. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and content. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.